Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best VPNs for the US in 2026. I've spent weeks testing these services on real devices, checking their speeds, streaming performance, privacy policies, and pricing, so you don't have to. Let's get straight into it. Before we dive in, make sure to check the links in the description below. I've put the best available deals for each VPN down there, including one insane offer on my top pick that you really don't want to miss. My number one pick for the US in 2026 is Surfshark, and it's not a close call. After 2 years of testing this VPN across every device I own, I keep coming back to the same conclusion. Nothing else on the market delivers this combination of speed, features, and price. Let's start with speed, because this is where Surfshark genuinely surprised me. Running on WireGuard protocol, which is the default, Surfshark achieved a 97% download speed retention on local servers. That's the kind of number where you literally cannot feel the VPN running. Even across international servers, it held above 90% for most of Europe. Transatlantic connections to the US retained around 83%. For streaming, gaming, video calls, or large downloads, this is more than fast enough. Streaming is another area where Surfshark punches above its price. It reliably unblocks Netflix US, UK, and Japan libraries, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and HBO Max. If you're a streamer who hops between different regional libraries, Surfshark handles it consistently. And with native apps for Fire TV, Apple TV, and Android TV, setting it up on a streaming device takes minutes. On privacy, Surfshark uses AES 256 encryption with WireGuard as the default protocol, and its no-logs policy has been independently audited twice by Deloitte, most recently in 2025. All servers run on RAM-only infrastructure, meaning data is wiped every single time a server reboots. There's nothing to hand over even if anyone came knocking. One feature I genuinely love that no other VPN at this price offers is Alternative ID. It generates disposable email addresses and fake personal details so you can sign up for online services without ever exposing your real information. Those emails still forward to your real inbox, so you don't miss anything. It's a subtle but powerful privacy tool. And then there's the device policy, unlimited simultaneous connections. One subscription covers your phone, laptop, tablet, TV, your partner's devices, your kids' devices, everything. NordVPN caps you at 10, ExpressVPN caps you at 8, Surfshark has no cap at all. The plan I'd recommend is Surfshark One. For barely any extra over the base price, it adds antivirus protection and real-time breach alerts on top of everything else, turning it into a full security suite rather than just a VPN. At $1.99 per month on the 2-year plan, it's the clearest value proposition in the entire VPN market right now. Coming in at number 2 is IPVanish. This is a legitimately capable VPN that earns its spot with some genuine strengths, and I want to cover it honestly, including the parts that some reviewers skip. Speed-wise, IPVanish is top 3 in my testing. It hit a 94% speed retention rate across major server locations, which is outstanding. That kind of consistent performance across regions is partly thanks to the fact that IPVanish owns most of its server infrastructure directly rather than renting it. You're not sharing resources with unrelated services. For US users, the streaming support is solid. IPVanish reliably unblocks Netflix US and several international libraries, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and HBO Max. The Fire Stick and Fire TV experience specifically is one of the best I've tested. The native app is remote-friendly and easy to navigate, and there's even a dedicated kill switch app for Fire TV. If you're primarily a Fire Stick user, IPVanish is worth serious consideration. On the privacy side, the VPN has now completed 2 independent no-logs audits, one from Leviathan Security Group in 2022 and a second from Shellman in 2025, with quarterly transparency reports that document legal requests received. The audited policy confirms no browsing history, DNS queries, traffic metadata, or session information is retained. The 2 things you should know before buying. First, IPVanish is US-based, which puts it under Five Eyes jurisdiction. Second, in 2016, under completely different ownership, the company handed user logs to law enforcement. That's history worth knowing. Under current ownership by Ziff Davis since 2019, the audited track record has been clean. But for anyone with elevated privacy needs, that context matters. For everyday users, especially Fire Stick households, people who want phone support alongside live chat, and anyone specifically wanting to avoid the Cape Technologies ownership group, IPVanish at $2.19 per month on the 2-year plan is a strong choice. Use the link in the description for the best available rate. Third on the list is Privado VPN, and this one earns its spot by doing something no other credible VPN manages. It offers a genuinely usable free plan and the cheapest paid plan on the market. The free tier gives you 10 gigabytes per month, 13 server locations, no credit card required, and no time limit. That's enough for protecting yourself on public Wi-Fi, occasional privacy browsing, and properly testing the service before paying anything. It's not enough for daily streaming, but it's far more than the effectively unusable free tiers most competitors offer. On the paid side, at $1.11 per month on the 2-year plan, Privado VPN is the cheapest credible premium VPN available, period. You get unlimited device connections, AES 256 encryption, WireGuard protocol, and Swiss jurisdiction, which is outside every major intelligence sharing alliance. That's the same privacy-friendly legal environment as Proton VPN at roughly a third of the cost. Netflix performance is genuinely reliable. US, UK, Australian, Canadian, and Japanese libraries all worked consistently in my testing. Torrenting is supported on every server, including the free tier, which is unusual. The apps are clean and beginner-friendly across Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. The honest limitation is that Privado VPN has not yet published an independent no-logs audit. The Swiss jurisdiction and stated policy are reassuring, but they're not the same as third-party verification. If an audited no-logs policy is your top priority, Surfshark is the better call. If you're budget-focused and the audit gap is acceptable, Privado VPN delivers real value that's hard to match. The best deal is through the link in the description. Now, if you've decided that Surfshark is the right pick, and I think it will be for most of you watching this, there's a deal running right now that you should absolutely take advantage of. You can get Surfshark for up to 87% off, plus 3 extra months completely free, bringing it down to just $1.99 per month. Grab it through the coupon link in the description to make sure you're getting that price. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.